Many seniors go through major life changes that could make them more vulnerable to depression. But it is heartbreaking to stand by and watch someone deal with depression or loneliness on their own. At Happy and Healthies, we believe that mental peace and prosperity is the basic right and requirement of everybody. It is with this motto in mind that we bring you a short video on geriatric depression and caregiving. There are certain signs that may indicate depression in the geriatric population. These include expressions of hopelessness, low mood most of the time, loss of interest or pleasure in activities, disturbed sleep, that is, sleeping too much or sleeping too little, weight loss or weight gain, fatigue or a lack of energy, feelings of worthlessness or extreme guilt, difficulties with concentration or decision making, noticeable restlessness or agitation or slow movement, frequent thoughts of death or suicide or a suicide attempt. It is important to remember that not all symptoms need to be present in order to have a diagnosis of depression. Geriatric depression is not the end of the line. There are effective ways in which we can handle the situation. Firstly, remember it is nobody's fault. Depression is generally a combination of psychogenic and neurological factors. Normalize mental health related help seeking by visiting the psychologist or the psychiatrist. Promote a sense of purpose. Allot a specific daily chore for each person, including the geriatric individual, so that he or she feels a sense of purpose. Encourage social interaction. If the patient shows no initiative from their end, then invite relatives, friends, or others, or have them engage in a phone conversation at least once a day. Spend time indulging in leisure activities such as watching television or playing chess. Take breaks and energize yourself. Your happiness will ensure your loved one is well looked after. We hope that life not only makes you enjoy spring, but also helps you appreciate and indulge in the regal grandeur that is autumn. Thank you.